Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
So may you introduce yourself? Already your regalia shows who you are, but may you introduce for record purposes?
Okay, my name is His Royal Highness Eze Augustine Sunday Ojukwu. Ezudo Tuesday Ndi Bonamo Odofin Local Government, Lagos State, Nigeria.
We're seeing a lot of dignitaries, mostly captains of industry from Igbo extraction in your palace today. I also a lot of police activities. May you tell us exactly what actually is going on?
Actually, today was a wonderful day in the history of Amuwo. Today, we give one of our sons, area commander, a title in the palace. That was why you saw many captains of industries here that come to witness the occasion.
So what can you say about this man? Because for this man to be given such a title, I understand the title they gave him today was Oputa Obie, one, in Amuwo Odofin.
Yeah.
So for him to have this title, which has a lot of symbolism in Igbo language, can you give one or two reasons why you decided to permit such title?
Actually, it's not I decided. It's the people of Amuwo Odofin.
The community.
The community that decide. Because he's a grassrooted police officer.
Okay.
And you can see, and that was why the Amuwo Odofin community asked me to honor him with a title in Igbo language, Oputa Obie.
Meaning what?
Meaning, once it's out, everything will
Problems will solve.
problem will be solved. So that is why we give him the title of Oputa Obie Ndi Igbo na Amuwo Odofin.
So more or less you're saying he merits such title.
Like I said before, I say he's a grassrooted police officer.
Okay.
And it's not that I'm the one who giving him, it's the Amuwo Odofin that give him the title. So that was what happened today.
So what advice as a traditional ruler, what advice do you have for Igbos who are in similar offices in several areas, whether to emulate or not emulate what has happened today, resulting to his being given empowerment?
My advice to Igbo today is that they should emulate him. In Igbo language, that's na ihe ọma ka a na-eṅomi eṅomi. So ihe o mere tata bụ ihe dị mma ka o melụ tata by iso ụmụnne ya. So mgbe na-ayọkwa ndị be anyị bụ ndị Igbo nọ n'ọrụ oyibo na-eme ihe ọma ka ha ghara ịgha nwanne ha. Anyị na-ekwu ndị Igbo na-asị onye agha na nwanne ya. So ọ na-alụrụ anyị, ọ na-alụkwa ndị Naijiria ọrụ bịakwa ndị grassrooted n'ebe ndị Igbo ma Yoruba ma Hausa nọ. So anyị na-ekele ndị Igbo niile wee na-asị ka amuleti ka nele ya anya n'ihe o mee tata wee na-ekwe na tata bụ mbido ka a na-ebido na ụbọchị ụka na-abịanụ anyị na-agwakwa ndị mmadụ ka ha bịa na anyị na-eme celebration ya na-emeghe ahụ this palace and the palace ya kwuru na egbu ofu nnukwu echi were kene Chineke nna ka ụfọdụ n'ime anyị si wee jesi unu asị nakwa n'udo na ọbụsi wee na-emeghe palace ya by 2nd of March.
So for the interest of those that don't understand Igbo, you are saying this honor bestowed on the area commander today will be celebrated on Sunday,
2nd of March.
2nd of March.
Yeah.
And you are inviting friends, well-wishers, both Yorubas, wherever,
Monday also,
that should come around and rejoice with your palace.
With us in the palace on Sunday.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.